Here's how to set up and use mobile hotspot on your new Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Ultra or Plus. First, you have to open up your settings, then go to connections. Now scroll down and tap on mobile hotspot and tethering. So here you will see the mobile hotspot option. Just tap on it and turn it on. So if a pop-up appears, just press OK. And from this page, you can customize your hotspot settings. Now scroll down to the name and password section, so where you can change your password and even rename your network name if you want. So I will just set a simple password so it's easier to share. Next, you can configure your band. So here you can choose between 2.5 GHz to 5 GHz depending on compatibility. So I will just keep the default option. So for security, it's best to keep the default settings. You can also enable one-time password. So when this is turned on, anyone connecting to your hotspot will receive a temporary password, so which can add extra security. You can turn this on or off depending on your preference. Now, another easy way to share your hotspot is with a QR code. So if someone wants to connect, they can simply scan the QR code and join your network instantly. And now to quickly turn the hotspot on or off from your quick control panel, just make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on, because your hotspot will use your mobile data or Wi-Fi to provide internet access. Now let's test it with another phone. Now on the second phone, open Wi-Fi and search for available network. You should see the hotspot name you just created. Just tap on it and enter the password. And as you can see, it's connected successfully. You can also connect using the QR code. Just open the camera, scan the QR code, and that's it. Hope this guide helped. Make a like and subscribe for more Samsung Galaxy tips and tricks. Thanks for your time.